DJI is set to shake up the drone market once again with its upcoming Mavic 4 Pro, and early leaks are already sparking excitement. According to industry insiders, the new model will closely mirror the pricing of its predecessor, the Mavic 3 Pro. In Europe, enthusiasts might shell out around €2,299 for the base model, while UK customers could expect a price near £1,879. The Fly More combo, with extra batteries and accessories, is projected to cost approximately €2,699 in Europe and slightly under $2,550 in the UK. Meanwhile, US buyers may see base pricing starting at about $2,250, with more premium bundles reaching up to $4,400 for a fully loaded setup. But the price tag is only part of the story. Leaked renders reveal a host of design refinements that hint at improved performance and stability. The Mavic 4 Pro sports a re-engineered aerodynamic propeller system, featuring a quick-release disc, which not only optimizes airflow, but also minimizes the impact of dust and rain on its motors. Enhanced structural elements, such as new rubber bumpers and a dedicated landing foot, contribute to a sturdier build during touchdowns. Perhaps the most intriguing upgrade is the integration of a lighter LiDAR sensor along the right arm, a feature that promises precise obstacle detection even in low-light conditions. This, combined with an upgraded triple camera system boasting a 4/3 CMOS sensor, a medium telephoto lens, 50mm equivalent, and a long telephoto option, 166mm equivalent, sets the stage for breathtaking aerial cinematography. Adding another layer of innovation, DJI appears to be expanding its lineup with not just one, but 3 variants in the Mavic 4 series. One of these is a specialized CA version designed to meet the rigorous demands of professional filmmakers. While details remain under wraps, these models are expected to deliver extended flight times of at least 50 minutes on a single charge, ensuring that creatives have ample time to capture every critical moment. Alongside the Mavic 4 Pro, whispers of next-generation products in DJI's portfolio are intensifying. The upcoming DJI Air 4 is rumored to blend the compact, foldable design the series is known for with significant enhancements. New aerodynamic tweaks, possibly borrowed from the Mavic lineup, may include variable aperture controls, and even a mechanical shutter to reduce rolling shutter effects. An enticing prospect for professionals seeking precision in fast-paced shooting environments. Meanwhile, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is drawing attention as a potential leap forward in the ultra-portable segment. Staying under the 250-gram mark for regulatory ease, the Mini 5 Pro is said to upgrade its camera from a 1.3-inch to a larger 1-inch sensor. This change could bring superior low-light performance, increased dynamic range, and crisper image quality. Enhanced obstacle avoidance, AI-powered tracking, and an extended flight range of up to 25 kilometers further elevate its appeal, making it a compelling option for both hobbyists and content creators. Not to be outdone, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is gearing up to redefine handheld video. Sporting a slightly larger 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen with improved brightness and resolution, the new Pocket 4 is expected to integrate a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f2.0 lens. Faster autofocus, smarter AAI features, and a hybrid stabilization system promise ultra-smooth footage. With improved battery management, achieving a full charge in just 25 minutes, this device is positioned as a premium tool for serious creators, with launch dates anticipated in late 2026 or early 2027, and prices starting at $699. Each of these upcoming DJI releases appears to push the boundaries of what's possible in aerial and handheld imaging, ensuring that creative professionals and enthusiasts alike have much to look forward to.